Have you ever wanted to start an online business but stopped because it felt too complicated? Too many tools, too much design work, too many product decisions? What if you could describe your dream store in one sentence? An AI builds the entire thing for you. Today, I'm going to show you how Genstore uses smart AI agents to create, design, and prepare a fully functional dropshipping store, almost automatically. And I'll also share better prompts you can use to get even stronger results. Let's get started. Step 1. Tell AI what you want. Click on Create New Store. Now, instead of manually choosing themes and products, you simply describe your idea. The more specific you are, the better your results. Within seconds, the AI understands your niche, target audience, and positioning, and starts generating product suggestions that match your idea. Let the AI agents do the heavy work. Now, this is where Genstore stands out. Instead of you building everything manually, multiple AI agents begin working in the background. One agent structures your product pages with optimized descriptions. Another builds your homepage layout based on your niche. Another adjusts branding elements like colors, sections, and formatting. You can actually see each agent working step by step. It feels like having a full development team, but powered by AI. After short processing time, your store is fully generated and ready to preview. Now we enter the launch guide. This part ensures your store is not just built, but ready to sell. First task, product optimization. If your catalog is small, AI suggests more winning products. Better prompts you can try. Find evergreen products with consistent year-round demand. Suggest high-margin items suitable for paid ads. The AI can also recommend price positioning and keyword improvements. You can edit everything to match your strategy. Branding, name and domain. Now, it's time to finalize your brand identity. Ask AI. Generate short, brandable names for a modern tech store. Create a memorable one-word brand name for a pet accessories brand. Pick one or enter your own. Next, connect your domain. You can choose a suggestion or link a domain you already purchased. This makes your store look professional and trustworthy. Payment setup is automatically activated when your store is created. Just review the configuration and ensure everything matches your region. Then move to shipping. Genstore already sets default shipping rules, but smart sellers adjust them based on target country, estimated delivery time, profit margin strategy. Take a moment to fine-tune this part. Final result, and just like that, your store is ready. Products selected, homepage designed, branding completed, payments active, shipping configured. What normally takes days or even weeks now takes minutes with AI agents guiding you through every step. You didn't code, you didn't design from scratch, you simply guided the AI with smart prompts. And now you're ready to start testing, marketing, and scaling. If this walkthrough helped you understand how powerful AI store building has become, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials. I'll keep testing tools that help you save time and grow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.